Hi folks, welcome back. We have another open house today. This one's going to be in Sun City, another condominium, but this one has a little better monthly price. So I wanted to show it to you and see if it's something that might fit your retirement lifestyle. Today we're at 9915 West Sandstone Drive here in Sun City, Arizona. You'll see this is offered by West USA Realty, Courtney Bossum. I'm doing an open house for her today. You notice a lot of times we don't do open houses on our own listings because we don't want to do dual agency. And dual agency is legal in several states, but it's just not ethical, I don't believe. So we don't do it. We walk all the way through to the back patio. And we have the Del Webb signature cabinets that are always installed in a Del Webb build, which gives you plenty of space for seasonal items storage. I mean, this is good for a car as well. So you have a freezer out here, the water heater's out here, and you also notice oftentimes in Sun City, in the garage, you'll have the washer and dryer. They maximize the amount of interior space for living, and so for utilities such as the water heater or a washer and dryer, they'll place it out in the garage. We walk through to the back patio. Very nice, covered. So even in the summertime, you're getting a lot of shade. The grounds are maintained by the HOA, so you have no responsibilities for upkeeping the grounds. And they even provide fruit trees all through here. You'll see we have oranges growing, but next to us, there are grapefruit. So if you're into grapefruit or orange juice, it comes in handy during breakfast time. Just walk out, pick your own. It does have a bedrooms plus 3, which means one room can be converted into a bedroom if you'd like. It's 1,346 square feet. So for a single person or a couple, plenty of space. They have stainless steel appliances, and they painted the cabinets gray to match the motif of stainless steel. Very functional galley kitchen. Floors have been updated in this cozy little Gemini home. Here's your front sitting room. And behind us, we have a larger room that could be used as a living room or converted into another bedroom if you'd like. The roof on this home was replaced in 2023 and the air conditioner replaced in 2020, so pretty new. Here we have the guest bedroom. It overlooks the front lawn area. And through we'll have the master. And a lot of times in the Del Webbs you can tell the masters because of these double windows that outline or border the bed. The bed is usually placed right there. You'll notice there's an outlet there for night lights. Also on the side, closet space has been upgraded with sort of a California style closet. And we go into the bathroom where you'll always notice in a Del Webb build, or quite frequently, you'll have solar tubes for lighting. And we'll find that in that spare family room as well. Walk through again just to show you. We have a solar tube there. So during the day, no need for lights. But if you want them, you got them. So again, nice cozy little place. One thing I mentioned at the beginning of this video is this has a little better price on the HOA. The HOA here is $251 a month. And $251 a month covers not only the front and back landscaping, but also sewer, water, garbage, pest control, and blanket insurance policy for the area. In many condominium associations here in Sun City, I've seen the prices at $350 and $380. So this is one of the more reasonable ones. So if you're getting at that point in life where you just want to be carefree in your retirement, live in a place where you don't have to shovel snow, enjoy your life, a retirement you've earned after a lifetime of hard work, then give me a call or call any of the agents at West USA here in Phoenix, Arizona. West USA Realty was named as Forbes #1 company in all of Arizona for 2026. It's Arizona-based, family-owned, and we treat our clients like family. And if you're in the Phoenix area and you want to have a cup of coffee, give me a ring, text, carrier pigeon, smoke signals, whatever you want to do. Just give me a ring. I'll tell you what the market's doing today.